Hey everyone, I'd like to go over the EyeLinearDriver. The EyeLinearDriver allows you to augment an existing eye setup, as you can see my eyes are moving, with blinking powered by shape keys. A prerequisite for this is to use Business Lawyer's Eye Setup platform. You can find this in Neos Essentials Avatar's Avatar Tools Eye Setup platform, or by visiting Business Lawyer's Avatar Tutorials and Setup World. Once this is applied, you should double check that your eyes are moving, and that you're happy with the settings. Next, to add blinking, inspect your wrist, head up the avatar to the root, and find the armature. So center root node armature. Head up the armature until you get to the head. So hip, spine, chest, head, neck, head. And you should see the eye setup container. The eye setup container is what is added by Business Lawyer's tool to your head, and it contains your eye bones. On the eye setup container slot, you'll find this component called Eye Manager. The Eye Manager is simulating an eye or a set of eyes and providing values to your eyes to tell them to rotate or look at various things. If you have a Vive Pro eye, you'll see an eye data source here which is defined, and it'll be using your real world eyes from within inside the Vive Pro eye tracking setup. I don't have this, so you'll see the eye data source is null, and the system is simulating eyes as though there was an eye setup there. To add blinking, scroll to the bottom of this list, attach a component, users, common avatar system, face, EyeLinearDriver. EyeLinearDriver is then added, and you'll see it takes an Eye Manager. So I'm going to scroll back to the top, grab the Eye Manager, drop it into EyeLinearDriver's Eye Manager property, and then I'm going to scroll down and you'll see 4 lists here. I am only using the eye list today. This is the list right at the bottom, and I'm going to hit add twice on that for the 2 eyes that I have. With these open, you need to set the first one to left, the second one to right on the top option called side. If you have a combined shape key for blinking, you can also use the combined option. Now you need to find the shape keys. To do this, I'm going to grab the eye setup container, click in the world to duplicate the inspector, go up to the top, centered root node body. If you can't find your shape keys, ask someone in game. They're usually on the mesh part of your avatar. Within the mesh part of my avatar, you'll see a shape key called blink left and blink right. If I max out this shape key, you'll see, or the blink right shape key, you'll see my right eye closes. And if I max out the left one, my left eye closes. We'll reset these back to 0, bring back in the Eye Manager. On the EyeLinearDriver here, we drop blink right into the right open close target here, open close target, and blink left into the open close target for the left eye. With those 2 dragged in, you'll see I'm now blinking. This component's automatically driving these shape keys on and off at a simulated rate that is designed to appear organic or not robotic at least. You can tweak these settings with the extended options within the Eye Manager. So scroll back up to the Eye Manager, and you'll see settings with blink in them, like blink interval, blink min speed, blink max speed, blink speed spread, and there's other settings up and down here that also deal with blinking. Try playing around with them and seeing what you think. Different avatars might require different blink speeds or different differences between the blink. It all depends on what type of character you're after. With this setup, I can now save this avatar again, and it will load back into a world, blinking freely, with just that one component. Hope this is helpful. I didn't notice this component was added, but it's great to see an easy way to set up blinking. Maybe in the future, Business Lawyer's Eye Setup will automatically detect and add that to your avatar, but right now it doesn't take long just to do it yourself. Bye-bye.